Hello, techies. The future isn't coming, it's already here. Yes, you hear it right. As AI continues to transform how we work, learn, and live, staying ahead means building the right skills today. In this video, we are diving into 10 essential skills you need to thrive in an AI powered world. Whether it's boosting your creativity, leveling up your tech know how, or becoming more adaptable in the face of change. These are the tools that will keep your future ready. The future is closer than we think. Let's get ready to lead it. Join me in this journey of the future now, where we explore the technologies that are transforming the present and defining the future of tech. Hit play and let's explore what it really takes to lead in the age of AI. 10 skills to stay ahead on an AI driven world. Introduction. In this video, let's explore the top 10 skills you need to stay ahead in an AI driven world. From adaptability to data literacy, discover the essential abilities that will future proof your career in the AI era. Programming languages. Python programming. Python is the go-to language for AI, machine learning and data science. Its simplicity and huge library ecosystems like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, etc. make it ideal for solving real-world problems. It's good for automating tasks, analyzing data and building AI models. Data handling and analysis. Pandas and SQL. Data is the fuel of AI. Being able to clean, manipulate, and interpret data is very crucial. It's good for business intelligence, decision making, and dashboard creation. Basic machine learning concepts. Understanding how models work, even at a high level, helps you collaborate better with data teams or use no code or low code AI tools effectively. It's good for product managers, marketers, and analysts. APIs and automation. Example using Python or JavaScript. Many AI tools and platforms are accessed through APIs. Knowing how to connect and automate systems make you highly efficient. And it's good for tech savvy professionals automating workflows or integrating AI features. Web development like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you are building AI driven tools or want to create interactive dashboards or applications, web dev helps bring you ideas to life. It's good for entrepreneurs, product designers, and creators. Cloud and DevOps basics. Optional but useful. Many AI services are hosted on cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. Knowing how to deploy or scale models is a bonus and is good for technical roles in AI deployment. Machine learning and deep learning. They are the core of the AI evolution. They are the engines behind smart tools, automation, and intelligent decision making. Let's look at each one of them in detail. Machine learning, the brain behind smart systems. So let's understand what is machine learning. It's a branch of AI that enables computers to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed for every scenario. Its key roles involve automation of decisions, from email spam filters to fraud detection systems, predictions and insights, powering recommendation engines, forecasting tools, and customer behavior analysis. In optimization, it makes systems more efficient like supply chain management, dynamic pricing, etc. Examples: Netflix recommending shows, banks detecting fraud, or chatbots learning to respond better over time. Deep learning, the powerhouse behind complex AI. So, what is deep learning? It is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers, mimicking how the human brain processes information. It's especially good at handling large unstructured data like images, audio, and text. Its key roles involve image and speech recognition, powering facial recognition, voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, and autonomous vehicles. NLP, natural language processing, enabling tools like ChatGPT, real time translation, and sentiment analysis. Generative AI, creating realistic images, music, or even writing like DALL-E or ChatGPT. Real life examples: self driving cars, AI art tools, language translation apps, and virtual assistants. Machine learning was deep learning, quick contrast. The data needs, it works with smaller data sets while deep learning requires massive data sets. Complexity, simple model like decision trees, etc. Deep learning involves complex neural networks. It is used in structured data, traditional analytics, while deep learning uses unstructured data like images, videos, and text. The hardware required for machine learning is less intensive, while the deep learning needs powerful GPUs. Why it matters in an AI-driven world is ML and DL, even conceptually, gives you a competitive edge. Whether you are in tech, marketing, healthcare, or finance, these technologies are redefining how problems are solved and value is created. Data analysis and visualization. They are the foundational in the AI journey. Think of them as the lens through which we understand the data before feeding it into any AI or machine learning model. Without them, it's like flying blind. The first step toward intelligence and its role in AI. Let's start with understanding your data. You need to know what kind of data you are working with, its structure, distribution, and hidden patterns. Data cleaning and preparation. In real world, data is messy. Cleaning, handling missing values, and formatting are critical before applying AI models. Feature engineering. Creating meaningful input variables that boost models' performance. The skills or tools involved are Python libraries like Pandas and NumPy, statistics basics like mean, median, standard deviation, correlation, etc., and EDA, exploratory data analysis, discovering trends, anomalies, and patterns. The role in AI, communicating insights, visually helps you explain finding clearly to stakeholders, clients, or your team. In debugging models, visualization helps you understand model outputs, errors, and areas for improvement. In storytelling with data, making your AI-driven insight accessible and impactful. Skills or tools involved are Python libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, and Altair. BI tools, Power BI, Taboola, which is useful in business settings. In dashboards and reporting, especially important when integrating AI insights into decision making. Why they are crucial in the AI journey? Garbage in, garbage out. Clean, well understood data is equal to better AI models. Model interoperability. Visualization helps unpack why model is making certain predictions. Bridge between data and action. Not everyone speaks code. Visual storytelling brings AI to life for non-technical teams. Some real-world examples are: imagine you are building an AI model to predict customer churn. First, you analyze the data to find what factors correlate with churn. Then you visualize those relationships, like how usage drops over time, to gain insights and explain your findings to your product team, which is visualization. Finally, you use those insights to train a machine learning model. NLP, natural language processing, is one of the most exciting and transformative areas in AI today. It's all about enabling machines to understand, interpret, and even generate human language, whether it's text or speech. Let's break down NLP's role in AI landscape and why it's such a game changer. First, let's understand what is NLP. NLP sits at the intersection of computer science, linguistics, and machine learning. It gives machines the ability to read, like scanning text or documents, listen, like understanding spoken words, understand, like grasping context, sentiment, or intent, generate, like writing responses, summaries, or creative text, and translate, like switching between languages. Key roles of NLP in an AI-driven world: human-machine communication, chatbots and virtual assistants, Think Siri, Alexa, or ChatGPT. They use NLP to understand and respond like a human. Voice to text or text to voice. It enables voice commands, transcriptions, and accessibility tools. Automating information processing. Text summarization. Automatically condensing long documents or articles. Information extraction. Pulling key data from contracts, emails, or medical records. Sentiment analysis. Detecting emotions or opinion in text used in social media monitoring, product review, etc. Search and recommendation. Smart search engines. Google uses NLP to understand what you really mean. Semantic search. Searching by meaning, not just keywords. Translation and localization. Real time translation. Apps like Google Translate use NLP to break language barriers instantly. Content creation. Generative AI. Tools like ChatGPT 4 and beyond generate human like text for everything from blogs to code to marketing content. Few popular NLP tools and libraries. Python libraries like Spacy, NLTK, Transformers from Hugging Face, TextBlob, and pre-trained models like GPT, BERT, Robert A, and T5. Platforms like OpenAI, like ChatGPT, and Cloud, Google Cloud NLP, AWS Comprehend. Why NLP skills are in high demand? NLP is the backbone of many consumer-facing applications. Businesses use NLP for automation, customer service, compliance, and insight mining. It's driven the next wave of intuitive, intelligent interfaces where you talk to machines like you talk to people. Few quick real-life examples. A bank uses NLP to analyze customer feedback and improve services. A company builds an AI-powered resume scanner to shortlist candidates. A healthcare app uses NLP to interpret doctors' notes and predict diagnosis. AI ethics. It's one of the most critical and urgent aspects of the AI journey, especially as AI systems gain more influence over decisions that affect people's lives. While AI can drive innovation, productivity, and convenience, it also raises serious questions about fairness, transparency, privacy, and accountability. That's where AI ethics comes in place. What is AI ethics? Let's understand. AI ethics is a field focused on ensuring that AI technologically are developed and used responsibly in a way that aligns with human values, legal standards, and social good. Key ethical issues in AI: biases and fairness. The problem is AI learns from historical data which often contains bias. The risk it involves, like models may reinforce racial, gender, or economic discrimination, example, biased hiring algorithms or facial recognition errors. The goal is to build inclusive datasets and fairness-aware models. Privacy and surveillance. The problem is AI systems often need tons of personal data. The risk: misuse, unauthorized tracking, or data leaks. The goal is to follow data protection laws like GDPR, minimize data collection, and be transparent. Transparency and explainability. The problem is many AI models are black boxes, especially deep learning. The risk involves users or even developers can't understand or challenge decisions. The goal is to develop explainable AI systems that can justify their choices. Accountability. The problem: when AI makes a mistake, who is responsible? The risk: whether to blame gets passed around and users suffer. The goal is to define clear government structures and ethical oversight. Job displacement. The problem is AI automates tasks threatening certain job roles, and the risk involves social and economical disruptions. The goal is to focus on reskilling, human AI collaboration, and policies for a just transition. Autonomy and context. The problem: users may not always know they are interacting with AI, example, deep fakes or chatbots. The risk involves misinformation and manipulation. The goal is to ensure transparency, consent, and ethical AI design. Why it matters in an AI-driven world? Because trust is equal to adoption. People won't use what they don't trust. Regulation is rising. Governments are now drafting AI laws like the EU AI Act. Reputation risk. Unethical AI practices can harm brands and lead to lawsuits. Real examples are Google stopped using facial recognition due to bias concerns. OpenAI includes content moderation and safety layers in tools like ChatGPT. Microsoft published responsible AI standards for their developers. Key concepts to understand and know: ethical design thinking, bias mitigation techniques, explainable AI governance frameworks like IEEE, OECD principles. Problem solving and critical thinking. These are the core human skills that become even more valuable in an AI driven world. While AI can process data and automate tasks, it still lacks the depth of human judgment, creativity, and strategic thinking needed to tackle complex and ambiguous challenges. Let's look at how these skills fit into the future of work and innovation with AI. Under problem solving, which is turning ideas into impact, let's understand what it is. The ability to identify challenges, analyze situations, and find effective, often creative solutions, especially when no clear paths exist, is called problem solving. Role in an AI world is framing the right problems. Before you can train any AI model, you have to understand what problem you are trying to solve. Using AI tools smartly, like knowing when and how to use AI and when human judgment is better. Designing a better systems. AI might be the engine, but humans decide what roads to build and where they should lead. Example, a product manager uses AI insights to identify a user drop-off point, then brainstorms and tests human-centered features to improve retention. Critical thinking, the skill AI can't replace. So let's understand what it is. The ability to evaluate information objectively, question assumptions, and make well-informed decisions, especially in complex or conflicting scenarios. The role of AI in the real world. Evaluating AI over output. Just because an AI gives an answer doesn't mean it's correct or unbiased. Challenging data on models. Asking what's missing or whose perspective is left out is the key to ethical AI. Strategic decision making, making a long-term calls in situations AI can't fully understand, like ethics, leadership, or emotional impact. Example, a journalist uses an AI tool to analyze thousands of documents but applies critical thinking to interpret patterns, questions anomalies, and uncover deeper truths. How these skills work with AI, not against it. AI has strength in processing data at scale, while human can understand nuance, context, and emotions. AI optimizes known solutions, while humans think creatively and laterally. AI learns from historical patterns, while humans question assumptions and thinks critically. AI automates routine decisions, while humans solve novel and complex problems. Why these skills are future-proof? AI is only as good as the problems it's given. Even innovation begins with a well-framed question. Human reasoning remains the compass, and AI is just the tool. If you are building a future-ready mindset, problem solving and critical thinking should be your contest companions, not just to work with AI, but to lead and guide it. Adaptability and continuous learning. They are the most and must-have meta skills in an AI-driven world. As technology evolves faster than ever, your ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn is what truly keeps you ahead of the curve. Let's explore why these two skills are the backbone of staying future ready. Adaptability, the power to pivot with purpose. Let's understand what it is. Adaptability is your ability to adjust quickly to new tools, trends, roles, or environments without losing the momentum. Why it matters in an AI world. Rapid tech shifts. AI tools, platforms, and the best practices evolve constantly. What's cutting edge today may be outdated next year. Changing job roles. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing humans to focus on strategy, creativity, and innovation, but only if we can shift our mindset and skill set. Cross-function collaboration. AI intersects with every field: finance, healthcare, education, design, so professionals need to adapt to working with data scientists, engineers, and bots alike. Example, a marketing professional quickly adapts to using AI for content generation, analytics, and personalization, freeing up time for strategic branding. Continuous learning, your lifelong competitive advantage. So, what it is? It's the mindset and habit of constantly updating your knowledge, improving your skills, and exploring new areas, no matter your career stage. Why it matters in an AI world? The half life of skills is shrinking. Skills that were valuable 5 years ago may be obsolete today. New fields are emerging like prompt engineering, AI ethics, and human AI interactions didn't even exist as mainstream jobs a few years ago. Growth mindset is equal to AI fluency, meaning staying curious and open to change helps you learn how to use AI effectively rather than fear it. Example, a teacher learns how to use AI powered platforms to personalize student learning paths and analyze performance trends in real time. How to build these skills? Stay curious, follow tech blogs, listen to AI podcasts, join webinars, experiment with tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, etc. Upskill regularly. Use platforms like Coursera, edX, Udemy, or even YouTube to stay current. Network and collaborate, like learning from others in your field and beyond. AI thrives at the intersection of disciplines. Bottom line, evolve to stay relevant. In the future, the illiterate will not be those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. Hence, in an AI driven world, it's not about being perfect, it's about being adaptable, curious, and ready to grow. And the best part is, these skills anyone can cultivate starting right now. Human AI collaboration. It combines the strengths of both human creativity and AI's data processing power. AI excels in handling vast data and automating tasks while humans bring insight, creativity, and ethical decision making. This partnership enhances decision making, drives innovation, and improves customer experiences. By focusing on tasks that require emotional intelligence and complex problem solving, humans can use AI as a tool to boost productivity and stay ahead in an AI driven world. Together, they create a more efficient, adaptive, and ethical approach to tackling modern challenges. Emotional intelligence. It is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage our own emotions as well as the emotions of others. In an AI driven world, emotional intelligence is becoming increasingly important as it allows humans to excel in areas where AI falls short, such as empathy, communication, and interpersonal relationships. While AI can analyze data and provide insights, it cannot connect with people on an emotional level. Humans with high emotional intelligence can navigate complex social dynamics, manage stress, and make decisions that consider both logical and emotional aspects, making emotional intelligence a key skill for thriving in a world where human interactions and empathy remains essential. AI project management. It involves overseeing projects that incorporate AI technologies from planning and development to execution and optimization. It requires a blend of traditional project management skills and an understanding of AI systems, ensuring projects are completed on time, within scope, and meet business objectives. Key aspects include defining clear goals, selecting the right tools, managing cross-functional teams, and mitigating risks associated with AI integration. As AI continues to evolve, AI project managers must also adapt to rapidly changing technologies, ensuring that the projects stay aligned with both technical advancements and organizational needs. Effective AI project management bridges the gap between technical experts and strategic execution, making it essential for success in an AI-driven world. I hope you enjoyed this video and gained valuable insights into the latest tech innovations. The future is now and the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned for more exciting deep dives at profound insights under the Future Now, the latest in tech playlist. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button, Subscribe for more exciting tech updates and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement motivates me to create more contents like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Thank you.